Now let's take a look at the chorus. I'll play it through for you first of all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that chord progression, again, is the same, but we have a slight different strum pattern. We start off with the D major, C add 9, sorry. And then we're going to play the G major. So you go down, 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 up, down, down on the G chord. And then we go up, up on the C add 9.